Alright guys, so I'm doing a quick coolant pressure testing video on the E36. So I did a whole water pump, fan clutch refresh on this thing, and I'm seriously kept on losing coolant. And I couldn't figure out why, because I thought all my clamps were tight. So I went to AutoZone, but I believe Advanced Auto Parts has a very similar kit available for rent. And the one I got is the Powerbuilt 22-piece cooling system pressure test kit. Comes with all these different adapters and basically a little pressure pump, so you can pressure test the system and make sure you actually have zero leaks. So let's take a look in the back page, because this is a general overview of like all the fittings available. So just pause this right now. But BMW is included, so this works for my 97 E36 and will work for any other E36, even E46, E53, E39, stuff like that. So orange number 5 threads onto the expansion tank just fine, and I am testing it at 1.5 bar, and I'm just holding it there for a couple minutes. I already found one leak, and that leak was right there at the thermostat housing. This is the cold end. And so I've tightened that up. I tightened all the other ones up with it, and they were maybe a quarter turn loose also. So hopefully I have found my cause for my disappearing coolant. Now, as a tip, after you do your coolant or your cooling system refresh and you put all your hoses back together, you tighten everything as much as you can, do a heat cycle so everything's hot, and then re-tighten everything, just because the rubber kind of like expands, contracts, and just reforms itself. So you want to make sure you go around with all the clamps at least once before. I already did that, but apparently I didn't do it tight enough, because I went and did it again tonight, and yeah, I can get a quarter turn more out of it. So here's a quick PSA on the AutoZone cooling system test kit, and how to pressure test your E36. Oh, one last note. You also have the number 4 cap or tester, which goes onto your cap, and you can test that guy at 2 bar, because this is what this one's set at. And yeah, there you go. Thank you guys for watching.